Such a beautiful thing.
That's still science! Lead the way.
Attention, all personnel. The light containment zone decontamination process will occur in T-minus 15 minutes. All biological substances must be removed in order to avoid destruction.
Hello. These are not for you. Well, crap. I'm telling you right now, I lack in key cards. I would not open it. I can run, but I cannot do anything. I found another one outside. Alright. Yo. Yeah, so, there's a scientist in here with a key card, and me as a new class, I lack key card. Yeah, that's fair. Hey, the scientist should open up the door, definitely. It's a great idea. No, open it. Open it.
You wanna cut? Go!
Danger. Light containment zone overall decontamination in T-minus 10 minutes.
Let's go. Gotta go. You don't have a way to arrest me. You know what? I'm sure. Pop my armor here. Go check. Grab a gun there, and then you can detain me. That should work out. Well,
Mobile Task Force Unit Epsilon 11, designated Oscar 16, has entered the facility. All remaining personnel advised to proceed with standard evacuation protocols until an MTF squad reaches your destination, awaiting recontainment of 4 SCP subjects. SCP-173 successfully terminated. Termination cause unspecified.
Oh, it's me. Let's get out. Let's get you out. I found one scientist on my way. I'm gonna let him go home. Okay, he died. The zombies died, so you don't need to worry. Take everything. Okay, let's go. Just a sec. Can you find the exit by yourself? Can you find the exit by yourself? I'll give you a cut to get out. Take the cut. Oh. Okay, then go.
That shit's actually hilarious. It is!
Generators activated.
How the fuck did you do that?
Welcome. And another one.
Okay. There will be a spawn soon. We should find the warhead. We should
Really
find
quick,
it.
I'm at the nuke.
Okay. I hear people. Never mind.
Restarting systems.
No nuke.
We have to look after the nuke.
Out of 3 generators activated.
And
Zombie,
that's
fall back,
chaos.
zombie.
Oops.
Alright, he's going to the surface.
Detected. Security.
Nothing I can do.
With standard
You're at the entrance, right?
fuck is
I'm coming back.
The zombie. What's he doing in there?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, people
Yeah.
on the left. Get him. We have to get us.
Can I get shield?
Got him. Nice.
Like if they had serpent's hand.
They're coming.
It's like, yeah,
Fall
the
back.
crap grenade was
Fall
fucking
back.
balls. Oh, he's
Hey,
behind
here's an
us.
idea. Go
Hey,
fuck
hey,
yourself.
Hey, guys. Guys, turn around. Guys.